Machine learning is an important technology and plays a crucial role in today's world. A technology-based industries which works on artificial intelligence and systems are implementing machine learning algorithms. These algorithms are designed to identify and to understand the trends of massive volumes of data. The data may be of numbers, phrases, pictures, clicks, or any electronic data. The data easily fed into a machine learning system as the information is digitally processed. What machine learning is? Machine learning is an innovative technology that took place recently in the IT industry. Machine learning system was developed by Arthur Samuel, an IBM researcher, to learn how to play the game checkers, and incidentally it created the path for growth opportunities. Machine learning drives many services in today's world, some recommendation systems like Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify, coming to search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing, social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. All the platforms collect the data to know the customer experiences. The data is about interest and search patterns, for instance, which attract you, song type, late searches, and make specific changes accordingly. Algorithms help to identify what you like for next, most of the time, what you want to watch, listen, or read. Entrepreneurs need to jump on the bandwagon and to decide how to use the algorithms of machine learning in their business. How to use machine learning in businesses. 1. Use for cybersecurity and fraud detection. Algorithms are used to identify the deviations in real time and to implement constructive steps automatically. Machine learning algorithms are used in cybersecurity where the environment continuously evolves, adapts to new developments, and substitutes manual testing to reveal the unique findings to the network. One can use advanced and innovative technology to learn from past frauds and identify the different data patterns that have missed variances. For instance, consider MasterCard, which uses the technology to trace their purchase data like locations, size and other aspects to find whether a fraud took place or not. 2. Increase inventory turnovers. Supply management uses innovative machine learning technology to identify the demand for new goods and find out the conditions that influence the market. This results in inventory management costs being reduced, inventory levels adjusted, and inventory turnovers increased. 3. Can use in IoT. Some devices and the system process can generate the data automatically. Industrial businesses may have a large quantity of data getting in their daily operations. They use machine learning technology for classifying valuable information. The data is used to evaluate various processes in a factory to reduce or avoid accidents, or in using innovative technology to cope with manufacturing difficulties. 4. Personalization. Personalization helps to attract your audience towards your products or services. Machine learning collects the data and uses that to share suggestions and some recommendations for the customers and offer customized interface. Thus, there is an increase in consumer conversion. 5. Customer support cost reduction. Businesses with more customer base will face challenges to keep up with customer demands and offer quick and efficient customer service through telephone or web-based chat. It requires many support teams with costly telephonic and other communication facilities that adds to the complications, impacting the possibility to maximize speed and effectiveness. Recognizing customer problems and detecting them to the right information is automatically carried out at low cost, with high precision with chatbots help, a machine learning technology, and automated customer response systems. Mainly, customers need not wait for support agents if we use technology. 6. Reduction of manual tasks. Industrial automation has failed to replace manual operations like unpredictable parameters, external factors, and internal system changes. Machine learning technology has filled the gap with some predictive models that apply to data points, decision support, and instinctive automation tasks. Machine learning has become crucial in industrial automation in recent days, providing software-based services for companies and customers alike. 7. Make the right decisions. Business success depends on reliable information and the right decisions we take. Getting the relevant information from big data in today's tech-driven world is not that easy without the help of smart technology. Machine learning will convert the broad data sets to information and actionable intelligence. This innovative technology can be incorporated in all businesses and their operations to adapt to new changes, customer expectations, and trends. Now, most companies depend on machine learning to get ahead of their competitors and take some proper steps to preserve their competitive edge in real time. Impactful machine learning ways. Final note. It is how machine learning plays a vital role in today's world, and these are some ways to use machine learning in business for growth and success. Usage of machine learning becomes more in future, and everything will be built based on this innovative technology. Hence, most of the businesses use technology as machine learning benefits or more. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.